In this video, we're going to be discussing a bar graph. So this is a slightly different bar graph than the one we did in the previous video. So let me explain it to you. So if you have a question like this, Mr. Wright's class discussed how many stuffed animals the students have. How many students have fewer than 4 stuffed animals? So the title for this graph is called Stuffed Animals, and the number of stuffed animals is shown here. So for 0 stuffed animals, we're showing 1. For 1 stuffed animal, we're showing this many. For 2 stuffed animals, we're showing this many. So the question is, how many students have fewer than 4 stuffed animals? So here is the number of students that have 4, and here's the number of students that have 5. So we're not going to include those when we count the x's to figure out how many students have fewer than 4 stuffed animals, right? Because we want to know how many have less than 4. So it's only these ones here that we count. So let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 students have fewer than 4 stuffed animals. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just rewind the video and watch it again. It'll make sense when you take a little closer look at it.